Nag-aaral ako magluto ng cookies. Lahat ng type ng cookie na tikman ni Ate Bing. Cookie na overbake, ang tigas, cookie na matigas. So, for today's vlog,
For today's video, I'm sweating. I'm so mean. But there. Welcome to Cole's World!
Hello, mga dinday for today's video. Tayo po ay magbe-bake ng cookies. Ang ingay! So, grabe ilang years na tayong, grabe yung years. Kasi pandemic ako, nag-bake ng cookies at nagbenta. Pinagkakitaan ko yun ng mga panahon na wala tayong hosting, walang events, walang ganap, nasa bahay lang tayo. At isa to sa bumuhay sa amin. Wow, bumuhay talaga. Oo. Kumbaga, isa to sa pinagkakitaan ko during the pandemic nung wala tayong ibang means of income. At natuto lang din si Mama Colleen sa YouTube University. So ngayon, dahil magpapasok na ang mga kids tomorrow, supposedly weekend namin gagawin yung pagbe-bake. Pero sabi ko, para may baon sila bukas, ngayon na natin gagawin ang pagbe-bake ng cookies. Yung cookies na muntik ko ng sukuan. Sabi ko, isang beses na lang. Pag hindi ko to na perfect, ayoko na. Pero nung time na susuko na ako, tsaka ko siya na perfect. So ngayon kaya, magagawa ko uli. Kaya yon. Let's find out. Actually, merong excited sa pagbe-bake ko. Ayun o. Nakikita nyo yun? Ayun! Kasi talagang nasa work na ako. Sabi niya, Ma, ano nahuhugasan ko? Excited ka, Papa? Hindi. So, anyway, let's prepare na mga bebe ko. Tibing, ano yon? Ano yon? Ano yon? Teka, may kanta si Ate Bing sa akin. Matitikman mo na ang cookie ko. Di ba natikman mo naman yun? Makakatikim si Ice. Excited ka na bang matikman ang cookie ko?
Matitikman ko na yung cookie mo.
Si Ate Bing, masarap pa yung cookie ko? Na-miss mo? Na-miss mo? Ay, grabe siya. Uy, hindi! Uy, hindi! Kasi noong mga panahon nang nag-aaral ako magluto ng cookies, lahat ng type ng cookie na tikman ni Ate Bing. Cookie na overbake, ang tigas, cookie na matigas, cookie na sobrang lambot, cookie na hindi umalsa. Natikman niya yun lahat. Pero, na-perfect natin. Ngayon, malalaman natin kung papalpak ba tayo. Mas gusto mo yun? Sige, sunugin natin. Alright. So, for today's video,
I'm sweating.
ang kasama natin, teka lang, parang mas gusto ko nakaluwag. Huwag na nga. So, for today's vlog, ang kasama,
For today's video, I'm sweating. I'm so mean. But
ito na kayo, dali.
there.
Uy, nabuhay uli yung ating pang-mixer. Ang tagal ko itong hindi nagamit. So anyway, for today's video, ang kasama natin gagawa ng ating cookies ay si Ate Athena, si Empress, mga anak ni Mami Lucette. Malambing naman i-follow niya si Mami Lucette sa kanyang mga social media accounts. At kasama rin natin si Kuya Riley.
For today's video, I'm sweating.
So ngayon, what do we need? Okay, ang kailangan natin ay... Okay. Ang kailangan natin gawin ay yung unsalted butter muna natin. Now, your task is to find the tablespoon. Where's the tablespoon?
What's the tablespoon?
Ito. What is this?
Am I a tablespoon?
You're not a tablespoon. Ito. So, lumabas na yung ating mga pang-baking. Actually, si Daddy daw ang pili. Ano pa kayo naman yan? Si Daddy daw yung Philip, sabi niya, bakit hindi ko daw uli rakitin itong mga cookies na ito. So comment down below kung rarakitin ko ba itong mga cookies na ito. Kayo ba ay o-order? So what I need is the tablespoon. This one is a tablespoon. The teaspoon. Where's the teaspoon? 1 teaspoon. Okay. cup large. Wait lang. 1 and 1/3.
Am I gonna wash this?
Where's the 1/3? Oh, this is the
Am I
1/3.
gonna wash this?
It's already washed. Just hold it tight. Okay. Now, ang gagawin naman natin ay, let's go muna sa kusina. Kasi ang first step is to i-melt yung ating butter. Why? It's already washed. You hold that. Okay? Yeah, you hold that. You're the one who's going to put the flour there. Is that the deal? Okay. So, i-melt lang natin itong ating butter. Okay, we're back! Hello! Yeah? Yeah, saan si Mami? Wala akong pwesto. Where's my pwesto? How about you just stand up? Because we're doing this. Si Valerie lang kasi hindi ako. Now that we're done with the butter, I think it's full na. Ang next na gagawin natin, Valerie, stand up ka. Let's put the butter here. Or actually, we can, ano ba, sukatin natin yung butter na 8 tablespoons. Okay. 1, para ma-sure. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Just 8 lang pero sobrahan ng konti na tawag si Daddy. You stand up on the table. Ay, on the chair. Okay, next is, let's mix the 1/2 cup of white sugar. Where's the scissors? Scissors! Okay. Valerie, don't make. So, gusto ma-involve ng mga bata. Maganda tong activity. It's 1/2. When you say 1/2, you fill it there.
Okay.
Okay, oh. Maganda tong activity with the kids. Okay na, that's enough. And then another 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Okay, go. Put it there. And then, go. And go. Okay.
That was so hard.
And then, mix it, ate. Mix it very well. Make sure that it will melt.
There's still sugar in my
Mix
hand.
namin yung...
How did I eat it?
Yan. Like this, ako. Like this. Mix it. Sige, mix lang ha.
It looks bad at first, but
Si ate naman sa egg.
can I try? Okay, mix it all.
Okay, let's put 1 egg.
Like this?
Oh, ikaw, kasali ka. You're gonna put this
Everything
one.
looks so cool.
Yay! So, minimix namin yung sugar, white sugar, and brown sugar. After that, let's mix some egg. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
This looks like a fish.
Ayan. Oh, mix it.
God,
Okay.
so bloody.
1 teaspoon of vanilla. Where's the 1 teaspoon?
Whose water is this?
Try it.
I said
Put it here.
this.
Ito. Oh, go. Si Valerie, si ate naman. And 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Where's the baking soda?
cookies already.
Kahit hindi pa naman.
I'm gonna
Ayan.
eat it, bro. It tastes like candy.
Excited sila.
Actually, yummies.
Si ate parang di pa nag-mix. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You got salt there. Ano yung tayong salt na iodized? Oo. Yes. Oh, mix Valerie.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I know. Okay, mix it very well. Let me ayaw magpahaw. Okay.
The words mixing so well.
Prepare the flour. I need 1 and 1/3.
I'm gonna put the flour.
Okay, wait lang. Ikaw sa isa, si ate sa isa. Si ate, sino mo gusto?
Me.
Ito.
Me.
Wait lang.
Oh,
gusto.
there.
There you go.
That's
Good
so
job.
satisfying.
That's so satisfying. I need to mix it properly. Wait lang. Okay?
Okay, let me know. I know how not. I know
Okay,
how
guys, sa practice natin for today's video, no? Oh, go faster.
She's trying her best.
Yeah, she's trying her best. Okay, mami muna. Let me mix it. Kasi
It looks
kailangan
like
natin
fire.
matunaw yung mga tunaw. Yeah, actually white. Ayan. So, ang na-mix na po natin, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of tablespoon of vanilla. Teaspoon lang pala.
Let's go.
So, this is, then 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2. Ilalagay ko na lang sa gilid.
Later you will mold it like that.
Yeah. Prepare the ice cream scoop. What are we achieving? The big cookies or smaller cookies? What do you like? Big?
Big.
Daddy, give us the big ice cream scooper. Okay, now let's put the 1 1/3 cups of flour. Okay. Yes. Is it flour? Yeah. Go. Okay. Next, the one. Ate, ikaw.
James, everybody.
Yan.
Cheese.
Teka.
Now we can do it with our own hands. Oh, pardon, some spilled.
Okay, put the chocolate na there. Some spilled. Kinain. Can I put it in there? Okay. You want to add more chocolates?
Yes.
Okay. So, ang goal natin ngayon is mawala yung puti hanggang sa mag-even, na siya. Maghalo na siya forever together. Wow, ang daming chocolate! Grabe! Yan na. So, mami na may nakakis. Yung butter natin, this is ready for baking. So, parang kulang, gawa pa tayo ng another butter. So, okay. O, next.
It's like ice.
Who next? Parang gagawa pa tayo ng butter.
Eileen?
You spread it there, ha? Make some spacing kasi magpa-flat pa siya. Okay? O, go. That's enough. Ate, make sure to have spaces, ha? Kasi pagpa-flat pa siya.
Kuya Riley's turn.
Oh. Ate, Athena muna. Go, Riley. Click it. Put it there.
I wanna
Here,
eat the
here,
butter.
here.
I wanna eat the batter.
Yeah.
Can
Okay.
I eat one
Let's
piece
go.
of the batter?
Good job. O, next. Ate Athena. Tulong, ha?
I'm not. Yep. Where?
Okay, here. And then, Daddy, you can have yours. Dali. Kuha ka rin na sa'yo. Saan yun sa'yo? Mommy is in the middle, ha?
Ouch.
Okay. Next. Ate B. Ito na.
Why you're so tall? You're so tall.
Nakakatuwa. Pag ito na perfect natin. Magbi-business na naman tayo.
How tall are you? I'll get you.
Para masyadong malawak ng
Isa na lang yan?
yeah.
11.
11
My
na
tongue
big,
is
ganitong kalaki na large
My
ice cream
water.
scoop.
No,
Sir.
I'm gonna refill it. Ew. Everybody drink water.
Now have our cookies. Punta na tayo sa oven. Come on, guys. Ayan na, guys. Maya-maya, makikita na natin yung ating finished cookies. So, habang kalmado ang mga bata, gawa pa tayo ng iba pang butter kasi feeling ko mawawalan sila ng pambaon nila for school. Kasi bukas na kasi yung school nila. Gawa ulit tayo. Ito naman yung closer shot.
We're selling cherry stores. Just getting all the...
Nilo. Jesus, ang cute.
Guys.
Let them experience as well, ate. Make sure the white will be gone. It's all brown. Alrighty, your turn.
My turn?
Yeah.
Thanks. What does it kind of look like? Mold?
Go, mix it.
Where the chocolate?
Yeah, I kind of regret asking this,
Oh, Valerie, you mix it
but
na.
it's so satisfying.
Uy, lumilipad.
Well, it's fine.
Oh, si ate naman, si ate Athena. Ate, sure the white one will be gone, okay? Mix it.
There's a lot in the...
Yes, mix it po. Habang nagmi-mix sila, tingnan natin yung binibake nating cookies. Let's see! Woo! Oh, wow! It's so cool! touch the cookies yet, ha? Kasi we will set it pa. There. Excuse me, guys. Hot. Coming over. There. Ooh. Ang ganda ng cookies. Wow. Ang ganda ng gawa. Now, titikman na natin. Papalamigin muna. So, yung nagawa nating butter, how is it? May nagawa tayo another butter. So, mag-bake ulit tayo ng another batch of cookies. Ito na, guys.
We share.
Wow! Look at that! Gamitin natin yung back camera. Mag-focus.
Can I have one?
Whoa! Wow! Okay, it's time to eat! Riley, come here!
Yummy. Yummy.
Try it nga. Parang hindi kayo convinced. Come.
Give me. Give.
Crunchy.
Yummy, but
Crunchy and there's a soap inside.
How was it? You want it for baon?
I like this type of cookie because the outside is hard.
Crunchy,
Oh,
then
crunchy.
the inside is small.
So,
Kasi po,
Me too.
yung pinag-bake namin sa una, nasa ilalim.
star. Star.
Pero yung loob, oh,
For tomorrow, the inside will get a little hard.
a little harder.
mm.
I think it won't be a little harder because we have to like,
How's the sweetness? Is it good?
yeah.
Not too sweet?
Just normal.
Too sweet.
You like it? So, 1 out of 10, 10 being the highest. What is your score?
1 billion.
1 billion! Infinity! Yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo.
But I still like it.
Aww.
The inside one is the
Oh,
cookie.
ayan na. Ate Ice, tara na Ate Bing. Tikman mo na yung cookie ko, Ate Ice. Tikman mo na yung cookie ko. Dali na, yung cookie ni Colleen. Cookie ni Colleen. Cookie ni Colleen. Come on, come on.
Order na ba? Order na ba?
Order na ba kayo? Mataba ang cookie ni Colleen. Matabang mataba.
Matambok.
Matambok. Ayan, magkano kaya ang bentahan nito? Kasi the last time na nagbenta tayo, hindi ko na maalala. So yeah, what can you say? Comment down below. Sarap! Masasabi mo, how was it?
Water.
Sarap! Ate Bing! Si Ate Bing busy pa. How was it, guys?
It's good, but I'm not in the mood for a second cookie, but because I'm gonna go get taste my drink.
Okay. Thank you, guys.
Yeah.
Kumusta ang experience sa pagbe-bake?
It's fun.
It's fine. You have something to share to your teacher tomorrow, right? Naglalaro na po sila, mga kaibigan. What?
May makakain daw nila eh.
So don't look at it. Put it in your bag na and sealed it. Yeah, baon na for school. Oh, what's that, Valerie?
Wow.
Your baon also?
Put it on my lunchbox.
Okay, put it on your lunchbox. Oh, that's your baon for school?
But it's getting big.
Are you going to share? Wow, that's a lot of baon. Are you sure? You're gonna eat that all? You like that baon? Ayan, may nasunog tayo sa ilalim. O Ate Bing, di ba gusto mo ng sunog? Ayan na oh. Nasunog kasi binago natin yung temperature. Excited talaga. You love it as baon. Are you going to share it with your classmate? Definitely yes. Wow, thank you. You love my cookies. I love you. I love you. High five. Ano, nakakain ka na ng sunog? Oo daw. May nasunog kasi binago namin yung ganito oh. Kasi kanina 'di ba, yung ang ginamit lang namin yung ibaba. So ngayon, dito namin siya nilagay. Pero dati kasi sa lumang oven, ito yung ginagamit ko. So ngayon, nung naglagay kami ng 2 layers, ito pala yung na-on kanina. So, by the way, pinag-aaralan ko pa tong oven na to. So, let me know in the comment section below kung kayo po ba ay nagbe-bake ng cookies. Ano po yung ginagamit nyo dito? At saka saan po nakalagay yung cookies? Kasi kanina, yung second batch, ganyan po yung placing niya. Meron sa pinakababa, meron dito sa gitna. Tapos, ano po yung ginagamit nyo dito? Bilangin ko ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, anong number yung ginagamit ninyo para po sa mga nagbe-bake? So, yun na. That's it for today's video. Maraming salamat everybody for watching. Next naman na i-goal nating i-bake ay ang fudgy brownies. Are you happy, guys? Are you happy with my cookies? Sabi siguro ng mga bata, ang kulit-kulit mo, tita. Oo nga eh. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Are you proud? Yeah. So, sobrang proud ni Papa. Anong gusto mo mangyari?
Benta.
Magbenta. So, ikaw na naman ang magko-compute kung magkano dapat ang bentahan. Oo. Let's see kung magbebenta tayo. So, once again, that's it for today's video. Bye-bye na everybody. Pahalo ka, Kubi. Mwah! Bye, guys! O, umuwi na yung mga nakakuha na ng baon. Bye! Enjoy your cookies! Did you tell your mom about your experience?
Yeah.
How about pasalubong for mama? Ay, uwi ba mama nyo?
No.
Oh no. Okay, bye! Okay. So, bye everybody!